So went ahead and bought a Camp Chef 3-burner stove. Called up my local Costco and said, what model you got? They told me Tundra. I couldn't find a lot of videos about the Tundra. And then when I got down there to buy it, because I'd gotten a glance down the aisle at it, and I know they sell one every spring, it's the Tundra Pro. So I'm really getting something for a large, the very largest all-American pressure canner. But the accessories on this, not at the Costco model here, but the accessories you can have, like the pizza oven, they seem pretty interesting to my family. So we're looking to do almost all of our bread products, crackers and stuff by ourselves at home. So with the need to have something very sturdy and heavy that can hold that very heavy pressure canner that I can't put on the glass cooktop in the house, I went ahead and got this. $230, 1 cent less than $230 at Costco this spring in 2020 during the crisis that I can't mention the name of. So it ought to be pretty nice. I'm not big on unboxing videos, I kind of don't like those, so I guess I'll say how to skip ahead later. So that's the back side of the box. I saw a little bit of exterior damage on the box. Comes with some kind of display thing. I forget the name of this famous chef, but product catalogs included. Yeah, I know a lot of guys don't like to cook the meat over propane, but overall I really like the packaging. Get some of that honeycomb type stuff that the jump masters and the Air Force just put on our junk before they throw it out the back door. Probably not as good, but looks like it did the job. All the jars I ordered from Walmart came all smashed up because they didn't have any sense, but it's very well packed. A couple little tears here, and you know, I know towards the end of spring they go on sale sometimes to get rid of the last few ones. When it comes to Costco, the pharmacist told me they can only mark stuff up by 16%. I saw this online a lot for around $300, not the Pro model, the old 3X model, I guess, of the Tundra. And not to be confused with the Tahoe model. So I'd have to say, for the price, it's really impressive, heavy, good, solid unit. You know, you can get most of these 30,000 or so burners at an Oriental food market for around 39 bucks, maybe 30 bucks. So right there you got $100 worth of burners. You can't get anybody to weld you a nice solid stand for something for less than 100 bucks. So at $230 all together, I think we're going to be happy with it. I'm going to go ahead and take off the outer packaging. Okay, so we got most of that stuff off of there. Sorry, the wind is picking up here today. So I guess got the griddle, the cover, probably keep the cover in the bag myself. The plastic bag it came with. Good solid handles on there, especially on this end like a towel rack or something. Bubble wrap on there. Now the windshields are underneath, and it looks like they're kept on with a butterfly nut or something like that. Very solid rack. I've seen some people take the rack off to install some accessories. I'm not so sure about that. But looks like the windscreen store under here pretty nice for transportation when you go places. There's that sucker. The washer retains itself. That's nice. Looks like it's still in good shape, all hinged together on the ends. So it's not like it's three separate pieces. I'll go ahead and get that installed. Okay, so the windshield wasn't too hard to put on there. Like I said, I'll leave the cover in the original bag. It came in the little plastic bag. Now, saying that these are on sale in the spring, I'm not saying people should do this, but a lot of people will, you know, buy something, enjoy it. But then it's dirty. They don't keep the box maybe. And then if it goes on sale, they're like, well, how can I return this one? Well, you don't have to return this one. If they still have one on the shelf, you can pick that sucker up for the sale price, take your original receipt with that sucker over to the returns desk, and before your bank probably even gets charged, while they're still processing it, you'll have your original price refunded to you. So that's why I really don't ever worry about trying to get stuff on sale. You might get it, you might not. There might not be any left. They tend not to go on sale till there's a couple left, but yeah, Costco's a weird place. So, and I really don't like those review videos where people just take a picture of stuff in the store and act like they bought it. So I really do intend to use this thing. So far, happy with it. Got fold out legs. There's a tension button there. I do not know what I just kicked in there. Oh, the nut from the bottom. Okay. Maybe I should put that back. Pretty good and steady. Just the legs, a little less than waist high. Griddle here. Now this is not the full size. The full size griddles have a really beautiful heat distribution waffle underneath them. So this is just a regular old two-sided griddle. Packs are nice. It's a little rusted there. I don't know if I'd call that rust or just wearing. A little bit of a on the corner there. A little bit there, but ought to get that seasoned pretty nice. It's got their logo on it. That looks nice. Probably goes the other way. fit either way. I don't know what this is. A little discoloration on the front there. I don't know what that's all about, but I'm going to use it and hang it on the wall. So let's see if I can get in there. You really can't see it that much. So the instructions are put on the side there. Some kind of little cable tie. But yeah, overall, good looking little unit. I think that we'll enjoy it a lot. Fortunately, you can't buy propane in my town on a Sunday. You can't buy nothing in my town on a Sunday. So, and of course, when I'm done, my neighbor stops mowing the lawn. So that is it for my unboxing portion of this. We'll get some propane fired up, see how it goes. Okay, so I was able to get some propane, and we got a delivery. For some reason, it came all the way across the country from Spokane, Washington to Virginia. This is the All-American pressure canner, the largest one they make, the 941 model. Like I said, I'm not big on cannon videos or unboxing videos, but it seems very well packed as well. Gauge is already installed. It looks like it'll fit even with the pretty nice packaging. Round part down there and a properly fitted part to hold the handle. Protect the gauge with the styrofoam. So seems like adequate packaging from All-American. Forget the name of the foundry there. So it looks like it fits on there. Pretty nice and sturdy. Not going to demonstrate that today. This is more about the Tundra Pro. Again, I got it at Costco for $230 and minus a penny plus tax. So the griddle, we followed the instructions on the Camp Chef page for a seasoning it, but we used I think olive oil. So they kind of get rid of some of those rub marks on the corner, and they look nicer now. And overall, I really like it. We had a little trouble starting it up the first time here. The gas took a while to run through the line. So, and the middle burner I had turned on, I didn't really realize it. So I was trying to light the left one. So it lights real nice, and it seems to work real well. Again, the griddle is double-sided. Kind of has a fat drippings tray there on the corner there, and then none of that really on this side. Got the Camp Chef logo on there. Go ahead and set that aside. Don't touch that, Olivia. Okay. And we'll go ahead and give this sucker a start. So it goes straight to the high position. Hits the starter. I don't know. The line is going downhill a little bit. Try the middle one. Middle one's going on the second try. It does seem like this one is going. Now it's going. You can really hear that sucker in the high position. So off is really low off. So overall, I'm really satisfied with the Camp Chef Tundra Pro.